A Bosphorus cruise tour is one of the most scenic and relaxing ways to explore Istanbul, offering a unique perspective of the city from the water. The Bosphorus Strait is the natural waterway that divides the European and Asian sides of Istanbul, and the cruise lets you see Istanbul's historical landmarks, palaces, bridges, and charming neighborhoods from a completely different angle. Types of Bosphorus cruise tours. Short Bosphorus cruise, 1.52 hours. Route: this is the most popular option for first-time visitors. It typically departs from Eminönü or Galata and travels along the European coast towards the Bosphorus Bridge, then turns back at the Rumeli fortress. Highlights: Dolmabahçe Palace, a magnificent palace with European-style architecture, once the residence of Ottoman sultans. Bosphorus Bridge, the 15th of July Martyrs Bridge, the iconic bridge connecting the European and Asian sides of Istanbul. Çırağan Palace, a lavish Ottoman palace now operating as a luxury hotel. Rumeli Fortress, a historic fortress built by the Ottomans in the 15th century, offering stunning views of the Bosphorus. Bekta and Ortaköy, famous waterfront neighborhoods with cafes, bars, and mosques, visible from the water. Best time to take the Bosphorus cruise: spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November, offer mild temperatures, making them ideal for a boat ride. Summer, July to August, can be hot and crowded, but the cruise will still offer a refreshing experience. Winter, December to February, may be chilly, but the city is less crowded, and you can enjoy a peaceful, quieter atmosphere. Just be prepared for the cold. A Bosphorus cruise is a fantastic way to see Istanbul from a unique vantage point, giving you a new appreciation for the city's beauty and history. Whether you're interested in a quick sightseeing tour, a luxurious dinner experience, or a more leisurely private boat ride, there's something for everyone.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.